English is a language which is full of exciting and adventurous and funny words. Well, in this video, I have brought some amazing and modern English words which you all definitely must know. Well, then what are we waiting for? Let's go ahead and learn about modern English words you all must know. You all are once again most welcome to Tutorials Point. Let's go ahead. Okay, what is an earworm? Well, do you think earworm is something which is literally a worm and goes inside your ear? Well, it is something to do with your ear, but it is not exactly a worm. Well, earworm is referred to a song which just you get so fixated to it that it keeps repeating time and again in your playlist, and you end up listening to it a number of times throughout the entire day. So that is what is referred to an earworm, right? So the new Taylor Swift song is such an earworm, right? So you definitely, I'm sure, might have some favorite playlist which sort of acts like an earworm. Okay, staycation. What is staycation? So when you plan to stay at your home and just relax and just do your regular home chores and enjoy them rather than going out for a vacation, you are sort of having a vacation by staying at your own place. That is what is referred to as staycation, and I'm sure Corona era is the perfect time for staycation, as most of us cannot go out for a vacation right now. Okay, what is a webisode? Well, webisode is sort of, a part of a web series which is released online primarily with the purpose of promoting the entire web series. So I'm sure we see so many webisodes day in, day out, because there are so many web series that we binge watch these days, don't we? Well, there's a new Breaking Bad webisode online. Have you seen it? So webisode, next time you see some promo or a trailer sort of a thing, or an entire sort of an episode of a web series, that is what is referred to as a webisode. Crowdfunding. What is crowdfunding? So crowdfunding is a phenomenon wherein so many people sort of invest in a particular organization to make it grow, right? So that entire phenomena is known as crowdfunding. So we raised enough money to launch our business using crowdfunding. So when so many investors invest in a particular organization and that leads to the growth of that organization, that entire phenomena of so many people funding to help grow that organization is known as crowdfunding. Okay, what is glamping? So glamping is sort of, a word which is formed by the amalgamation of glamorous camping. You also might want to call it glamorous camping. So glamping is a word which basically it is a sort of a camping which is much more luxurious and much more comfortable as far as the facilities are concerned compared to a regular camping phenomena which happens. So glamping is sort of a glamorous camping wherein you are given many more facilities compared to a regular camping. If that happens, it is much more comfortable and has much more facilities and amenities compared to your regular camping. Okay, what is a lookalike? Well, a very common word which we definitely see day in, day out. Someone who is a doppelganger or someone who looks very or almost similar to you is your lookalike. Don't we have so many celebrity lookalikes all around, and they just get so famous? Okay, now what is a handover? Now, handover is basically more of an official term which is used to it is a situation wherein you have handed over your responsibilities officially to someone else and you have stepped down, or maybe you've stepped back from those responsibilities. Now whatever documents or whatever material related to a particular project or a particular responsibility which you had with you, now you have officially given it over to someone else because you're not taking care of that position anymore. That entire phenomenon is known as handover. Okay, binge watch. Well, binge watch is yet another amazing word, and it means, I'm sure we all have been binge watching throughout this entire corona era, wherein we've been sitting at home and we don't have to go out. Hence, we happen to binge watch almost all the episodes or all the web series which are there on different applications, right? So that is what is binge watching, when you just sit and you happen to see so many web series and you're enjoying watching all of them. So that means you are binge watching all the web series. That entire phenomenon is known as binge watching. Well, all these words are extremely fun, interesting and modern words which you should be using in your daily language. I will see you again in the next video. Till that time, keep learning with Tutorials Point and Tutorix. Have a good day.